Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today's video is all about window cleaning track brushes, and more importantly, why would you want to use one style of track brush over another? So let's start off with one of our most popular track brushes. It's actually called the track cleaner brush. It's got a wooden handle and long red bristles. This is the perfect kind of brush when you have a lot of loose debris in tracks or crevices and you want to be able to quickly flick it out. Very good because it's got those long bristles, so it's perfect for that. It covers a lot of ground. One of the other good things, maybe it's not very much advertised feature of this brush, is it's great for when you're doing basement windows on the outside. And let's say that the homeowner, the landscaper, has recently cut their grass, and so the basement windows are covered with grass clippings and that. This is a perfect kind of brush to push down on the glass, get all that grass clippings off before you're going to hit it later on with your strip washer, because the last thing you want to do is have your window cleaning strip washer all covered in mud and grass debris, kind of like that. So that's another feature of these that I like. Now when it comes to actually deep dirt that's built up inside the track, it's not really good to use this one here. I mean, you can try to push down into the corner, but because they are long bristles, it's very easy to bend them, and this thing will look pretty junky in short order. So that's where these types of brushes come in handy. So this one here looks like a kind of a glorified toothbrush. The bristles come down on an angle. You can really get that in really good and hard deep into the corners of a track to loosen up that debris. It's very handy. We sell these by singles, but we also sell them in 3-packs to make it more affordable. And then we have this one here that we've just introduced in 2024. It's very, very thin. However, don't let the thinness of this brush fool you. It has very stiff bristles there. You can just see here that they're not just splaying out easily. They've got a lot of power to them. They're going to hold up quite well. And these are like perfect for getting in super tight tracks or any kind of crevice that a normal track brush can't get into. Now I have seen some other types of track brushes advertised on places like Amazon and that. And I've noticed that the bristles on those track brushes are really very soft, almost like a paintbrush type thing. Really, I mean, anybody who's been in the trade for a while knows that you're going to need something that has some stiffness to it. This has good stiffness to it, but like I said, because it is a long bristle, if you push too much pressure on it, it's easy to bend them. When you really want to get in and get that dirt to really just come off the inside of those tracks, that's when you're going to want to get into the more finer style of track brushes. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Check us out at thewindowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.